Classic Toyota, necessary, changing the parts. It's hatch struts that needs them because we have to use this thing all the time, so we're gonna do that real quick. It's a 12. Do you need a breaker?
I just don't know if I'm putting it the right way.
Lefty loosey righty tighty. Brock did. She got the other thing off, and we were turning it the wrong. She was turning it the wrong way at first, and that's why it was so hard. But now it's just coming out like butter. So there's these little ball joints that snap into the struts. We believe. Oh, like we just. Let's see if I can.
Snap this into the strut before we screw this in, and it made it a nightmare to get it in without crossing it.
This one's installed, and now it's already holding it up. So this is probably what you're supposed to do. Slot in the little ball joints by hand before, and then tighten them down, and then just slap on the strut. Hatch of the Celica. It needs some love for sure. It's used daily. The goal here is to make it more like a truck and kind of like make it more tough, so when we throw stuff back there, we're not worried about destroying it, and so it can pretend to be a truck. It likes to pretend to be a truck. So we're gonna be good owners and let it be a truck. The hatch has been serviced for now. It's gonna need more work, and we have some ideas in mind, but we need to work out exactly what we want to do. But clean.
Oh, get the camera!
Oh, get the camera!
Hello. Yeah.
Whoa, it did something. Dude, it did some. It didn't pull it out all the way, but it pulled it out some. Now it's fucking hot glue up. Oh, it's not like we don't have to sand this area anyways. Huh. Neat, I'm gonna do it again. Yank it. Yeah. Let's keep doing that. Okay, like stop and do like the big one. Perfect. So we went to the junkyard to get more parts to sell on eBay. Got some Integra Light, IS300 taillights, and Porsche 924 and 944 taillight. Also got a good deal on these. They're hub-centric, 114.3 4-lug obviously. So they're probably gonna go in the front of the S12 because lol. What we're doing right now is we're gonna try to clean the throttle body. The reason is the car's throttle's been getting stuck. First, it got stuck at 3K. We drove it a little bit, and we had to drive it because we had to do stuff, and it dropped down to idling at like 1500. I thought it was the dash pot that is at the bottom of the throttle that makes it so the throttle like comes down slower, but I removed the thing that makes contact with it, and it still is getting stuck. Just like the tiniest bit, like 1/16 of a throttle position thingy. So we're gonna try to clean the throttle body and see if that helps it. Wish us luck. It's not too bad, but still, luck is always help.
That's so long.
So we got that intake piping off. Now we're trying to figure out how to get this harness off of the, unplugged from the map. Now we're gonna check out the throttle body. As you can see, it's pretty damn dirty, so it needs to be cleaned anyways. But at the tip of the butterfly valve, there's a little scratch. And at the bottom of the throttle body, there's a little gash. So if we look, this thing has mad play. This whole valve, dude, has mad play.
That's so much.
So yeah, we're gonna try to see what we can do about that. Fuck, god damn it. Don't know how to fix that, so we're just gonna put it back together for now.
It's clean.
Alright, it's back together-ish. Mostly, yeah, it looks back together. So we'll see if it starts in a minute. Start! It started, no problem. Sweet.
Alright, we got an engine stand, and it has some assembly required. Wild bun and bear, their natural habitat. I'm a dinosaur kitty, and I like this dinosaur car. What are you doing? Are you doing paperwork? You're cute.